Recently, people in Kanto and Tohoku have felt several earthquakes. Earthquakes can be frightening, especially if you're new to Japan. Japan has warning systems and clear safety guidance. Knowing what to do can help protect you. Today, let's get ready together. In Japan, you may receive an earthquake early warning on a compatible phone or through a disaster app. The alert may arrive only a few seconds before the shaking. Near the epicenter, it may not arrive in time. Do not wait for an alert. If you feel shaking, protect yourself immediately. When the shaking starts, get low and protect your head. If a sturdy table or desk is close to you, go under it and hold on to one of the legs. Stay away from windows, glass, and tall furniture. If there is no table nearby, crouch down and cover your head with your arms, a bag, or a cushion. Do not try to cross the room during strong shaking. Do not rush outside while the ground is shaking. Glass, signs, roof tiles, and walls may fall on you. Also, do not run to the stove to turn off the fire. You could fall or get burned. Many homes have gas meters that may stop the gas during strong shaking, but do not rely on this. When the shaking stops, and only if it is safe, turn off any flame. If you smell gas, do not use fire or electrical switches. When the shaking stops, check yourself and the people around you for injuries. Put on sturdy shoes because there may be broken glass on the floor. Check for fire and the smell of gas. If it is safe, open a door to secure an exit. More earthquakes may follow, and some may be strong. Keep protecting yourself and follow official information. If you are near the coast or along a river and you feel strong shaking or weak shaking that continues for a long time, protect yourself during the shaking. As soon as you can move safely, evacuate to higher ground or a designated tsunami evacuation building. Do not wait for a tsunami warning. A tsunami may arrive before the warning reaches you. Stay away from the coast and rivers until the tsunami warning or advisory has been lifted. You do not always need to leave your home after an earthquake. Evacuate if the building is unsafe, there is a fire, there is a tsunami risk, or the authorities tell you to leave. If it is safe and you have time, close the main gas valve and switch off the main electrical breaker. But never delay an urgent evacuation to do this. Do not use an elevator. Use the stairs. Outside, stay away from block walls, glass, signs, and damaged buildings. After a major earthquake, trains may stop and stations may become extremely crowded. Do not rush to a station or immediately start walking a long distance home. Stay in a safe building or a temporary stay facility and follow instructions from staff and local authorities. Use a disaster message service to check on your family and wait for reliable safety and transportation information before you move. After a major earthquake, normal phone calls may not connect. Decide a family meeting place and more than one way to contact each other. Japan has a disaster message service called Face Tenting 171. When the service is activated, dial 171 and follow the voice instructions. Press 1 to record a message or press 2 to listen. Then enter the full phone number your family agreed to use. If it is a landline number, include the area code. You can also practice using the service on designated trial days. Store enough water and food for at least 3 days. 1 week is better. Plan about 3 liters of water per person per day. Also prepare portable toilets, medicine, a flashlight, batteries, a power bank, cash, and hygiene items. Keep a separate emergency bag that you can carry quickly. Store copies or photos of important documents, emergency contacts, and medical information in a safe place. Never delay an evacuation to collect documents or belongings. Language can make an emergency more difficult. Install safety tips and NHK World Japan before a disaster happens. Safety Tips provides disaster alerts and safety information in multiple languages. NHK World Japan provides news and emergency information, including earthquake and tsunami notifications. Turn on notifications and review the settings in each app. Earthquakes are part of life in Japan, but preparation can help protect you. Drop, cover, and hold on. During the shaking, do not rush outside or to the stove. If you are near the coast or along a river, be ready to evacuate to a safer, higher place. Prepare your supplies, apps, and family. Contact plan today. Take care of yourself and the people around you.